Welcome to this relaxation video. Today we'll be taking you on a journey of tranquility and inner peace. Begin by finding a comfortable position, either seated or laying down. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in, holding it for a few seconds and then slowly exhaling. Feel your body begin to relax with each breath. Allow your mind to let go of any thoughts or worries that may be occupying your attention. Just simply focus on your breathing and the soothing sounds around you. Visualize yourself in a peaceful, natural setting, surrounded by the beauty of nature. Just take a moment to appreciate the beauty that surrounds you. The fresh air, the sounds of nature, and the warmth of the sun that touches your skin. Take a few more deep breaths, and when you are ready, just gently open your eyes. Thank you for joining us today on this journey of relaxation and peace. I hope you liked this video. Thank you.